Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Panoramic Wi-Fi. First, find a central location for your Panoramic Wi-Fi gateway, ideally off the floor and away from obstructions. Next, connect the power cord to the gateway and plug it into an electrical outlet. Wait a few minutes for the indicator light to turn solid white, which means it's ready. Finally, download the Panoramic Wi-Fi app to your smartphone or tablet. This app will walk you through the rest of the simple setup process. Once you have the Panoramic Wi-Fi app installed, open it and sign in using your account credentials. The app will then guide you through the activation process for your gateway. It's usually a few simple taps. During this step, you'll be prompted to create a personalized network name, also known as an SSID, and a strong, secure password. Remember to choose something memorable but difficult for others to guess to protect your network. Now that your Panoramic Wi-Fi network is active, it's time to connect your devices. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings menu. You should see a list of available networks. Find and select the unique network name you just created for your Panoramic Wi-Fi. Then, simply enter the secure password you set up earlier. Your device should connect within a few seconds, giving you access to your new high-speed internet. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your Panoramic Wi-Fi gateway can often resolve minor connection problems. Just unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Also, double-check all your cable connections to ensure they are secure and properly seated. For more advanced troubleshooting, the Panoramic Wi-Fi app offers helpful diagnostic tools and support options. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your daily routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.